Hello, welcome to Roost Vans. We're going to be going over our latest build, the Stuehling 2018 Sprinter. Going over the adjustable table first. We use a Lagoon style mounted to our mounting system, standard in all our builds, as well as available online. And then the adjustable table with a swivel seat pairs very well. Now this table, whenever we put in our cabinetry, we build in a felt-lined receptacle so that you can store your tabletop and get it out of the way. Our sink cabinet has running water from the 20-gallon over-the-wheel well water tank. Glass hinge top lid. We install our switch plate with lighting controls and dimmers. Those control both the over-the-head ceiling lights as well as the under cabinet lights. You have your controller for your S-bar bunk heater located under the passenger seat. And you also have USB recharger, some auxiliary switches, as well as switches that you can set up yourself later as you expand your build. In the back here, we have our power panel access that allows for the Yeti 3000X, in this case, to be connected to the engine power for recharging, as well as to power all your DC power needs throughout the van. Also, we have solar power recharging as well as shore power recharging. In the sink cabinet, we also have a hidden kick plate drawer with accommodation for the sink drain through the floor of the van. Now, our bed systems that are installed include our Fuket system that has one of our flip-up kits installed on the back, allows for a nice deep sofa. This bed system is available in really 1, 2, or 3 panels. With 2-panel bed, it's more of a full. 3-panel bed, it's more of a queen. Our strap-up bed's a great bunk solution for adjusting quickly up to the ceiling, storing all of your bedding, and then dropping it quickly whenever you're ready to sleep for the night and have a bunk bed for either the kids or an adult. Coming around the back of the van, we have our inline hot water shower, as well as all the access to the 20-gallon over-the-wheel well water tank. Also available in a slightly taller 30-gallon size. We have our tank monitor, as well as external spray port for spraying water out of the back, hosing off your bike, dog, whatever, as well as an internal fill port for fresh water filling. Inside, you have a little bit of storage for a propane tank as well as your winterization drain. And the inline hot water heater is stored in a felt-lined receptacle along with the duck board, as it's called, for the shower. Flip-up kit is as easy as just lifting it into place or pulling it down. Check us out at roostvans.com and get in touch with us for any of your building or DIY product needs.